everyone.
Welcome to a new video of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show you some Tat collection. Let's display.
Okay, so
This is our first display.
sea green tat.
The base is sea green.
Sea green and the border is blue, royal blue with all over motif. Navy blue. Border is navy blue and the body is sea green with all over white, blue butta work all over the sari. Goes like this.
Blue and white.
Very beautiful collection. Very lightweight. And the pallu comes like this. Heavy work in the pallu. It comes like this. Heavy work of white and royal blue thread work. Navy blue. It's very nice. Very attractive. Very simple yet very attractive. Very nice collection it is. So first collection of tat. Moving on to the second.
Display.
It's a mustard yellow color. It's a mustard yellow color with all over butta work. Green and red butta work all over the body goes like this. This is the mustard yellow color. All over the body goes like this. Very vibrant, very bright and very attractive. And pallu comes like this. Very heavy work of flower and leaf motif of green and red color. Very attractive, very bright color it is. This is the second collection of tat. Very nice collection.
Moving on to our third display, which is of parrot green color.
The
base is parrot green.
All over body comes with a butta work of green and blue. Blue and pink. It's a royal blue. Maybe it's look like black, but it's royal blue, and the border is of baby pink color. Dark pink and mixture of two type of pink. And whole body comes like this with a parrot green. The base is parrot green like this. It comes like it's a tat. Pure cotton tat. And pallu comes like this with heavy work of navy blue and pink butta work all over the body and pallu as well with the border of baby pink color. This is the cotton tat. The fourth display. Bright color, very bright, vibrant and very simple yet very attractive also. You can easily gift someone. You can present it in any of your occasion.
This is of rose pink color.
Rose pink color tat.
The base is rose pink.
With all over golden butta work. And the border comes like this. Of purple, green, yellow and different multiple bright colors. The whole saree goes like this, which is rose pink. Very bright color. Very suitable for newly wed bride. Brides can easily carry this because they have to wear saree after the marriage. So this is very lightweight saree. They can easily carry this if they have not the practice of wearing saree quite often. So they can practice this. Wear this. This is very light, very bright color. And this is cotton tat. So it's very suitable for this summer.
Very comfortable.
All over the body goes like this. Moving on to the next, which is another tat collection of yellow color. Very bright color, lemon yellow, very bright color.
The base is lemon yellow.
And the border is red. Base is lemon yellow and the border is red. All over body is worked with green and red butta work. Look at the border. The border is also slightly work of red and green, which makes another attractive, which gives an attractive look to this saree. It's very nice, very attractive, very thin, very lightweight. So you can easily carry this. It's very nice, very attractive and very lucrative. Very nice collection.
Moving on to
Moving on to
this is is of
olive green color.
base is olive
Base is olive green. And this is Ganga Jamuna part, because two type of border you can see this, pink and here navy blue. So this is called as Ganga Jamuna part. The all over sari goes like this with the base of olive green and all over body buta work of pink and royal blue. And the and pallu comes like this. Very attractive, very lucrative, very nice, very lightweight. You can wear it for yourself, you can gift it to anyone you want. So this is very nice. This is also suitable for wedding gift also. You have to gift multiple sari, so you can choose one of this which is very lightweight.
Moving on to our next display.
Moving on to the next,
red,
which is of
base is red,
pure red color. Pure red color all
again
over.
it is perfect for
Bridal sari it is. So you can gift it. The base is red. Again it comes with Ganga Jamuna part, as you can see here, mustard yellow color. Mustard yellow and here green. So this is Ganga Jamuna part. All over body comes like this.
Base is red.
The base is perfectly
Again
red.
the
Again
buta work of green
yellow
and
and
yellow.
green. All over sari goes like this. All over sari buta work. And here comes the pallu, which is very nice. Tat is all of are same but of different color. You can get this in different color as well. You can gift it also. You can wear it also. This is very pocket friendly collection. Tat cotton tat is very pocket friendly collection. Comfortable.
Yes.
Very nice material.
Moving on to the next, which is a grey color.
Grey color. The base is grey. The base is grey with orange and blue buta work, and the border is of orange color. Very nice, very lucrative, very
Actually
simple.
saffron.
It's saffron and grey, combination of saffron and grey. Very lucrative, very light color it is. Nothing to say differently. This is very common, very light color. You can carry it. It
And
looks
eye soothing also.
yes. If you carry it with a proper jewelry, you can look amazing. So this is the main thing of this saree of cotton tat. These are very simple collection, which is white color, off-white color.
The base is off-white.
Off-white color. This is another very bright color. If there are seniors in your home like your mom and you want to gift something, so you can easily gift to your mother-in-law, your mom, maybe your grandmother. You can easily give this. This is very suitable for them. All over body off-white, base is off-white with all over body leaf and flower motif of red color, and the border is perfect red, pure red. The all over saree goes like this. Very vibrant and very lightweight. Here comes the pallu part. This is the pallu portion. Very nice, very attractive, very lucrative, very amazing color it is. Amazing color. This was the second last collection of cotton tat. Moving on to the last collection of cotton tat. This is Ganga Jal color actually. This is you can see the water color.
Yes.
This is the Ganga Jal color. You can see it. The color of Ganga Jal. All over body goes like this. The base is this. Again buta work of red. And here's same. The border is
crimson
color. And this is the pallu portion. Very nice, very simple. Nothing to say differently or nothing to define it, but it's very simple.
But you will look unique.
You will look unique if you carry with a nice pair of jewelry, and you can look amazing. So this was the last collection of cotton tat. So
if you like any of the sarees, then take a screenshot from the video and send us to our WhatsApp number. All the details are given in the description box, so you can check it out there. And if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We will again come with the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Comment it.